Hi, this is David from Creative Mind Academy. I'm going to show you how to make a wood burn in Photoshop. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials. You can download the wood image from Google. Click and type the word you want. Go to the new layer icon and press Ctrl as you click on the new layer icon. Make your foreground color white and now fill the new layer with the color white by pressing Ctrl plus Delete. Go to your text layer and press Ctrl as you click on it. Hide the text layer by clicking on the eyeball. Go to Select, Modify, and Expand. Expand it by 15 pixels and press OK. Make your foreground color black. Fill the selection with black by pressing Alt plus Delete. Press Ctrl plus D to deselect the selection. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Blur it by 10 pixels. Press Ctrl plus I to invert the image. Go to Filter, Stylize, and Wind. The method is wind and check the direction from left and press OK. Go to Filter, Stylize, and Wind. The method is wind and check the direction from right and press OK. Invert the image by pressing Ctrl plus I. Press Ctrl plus L to call up the levels window. Change the output levels to 72 and press OK. Change the blend mode to color burn and decrease the opacity to 60%. Click on the new layer icon to create a new layer. Go to the text layer and control as you click on it to make it a selection. Go to select, modify, and feather. Feather it by 2 pixels and press OK. Fill it with black by pressing Alt plus Delete. And now delete the selection. Go to fill and reduce it by 70 pixels. Double-click on the text layer to call up the layer style window. Click on Bevel and Emboss. Style, Outer Bevel, Technique, Smooth, Depth, 50, Direction, Up, Size, 20, uncheck Global Light and make the angle 120 degree and the attitude 48. Amp the highlight opacity 0. Make the shadow blend mode linear burn and the opacity 22%. Click inner shadow and change the blend mode to linear burn. Make the opacity 10%, make the angle 140 degrees and distance 0, make the size 50 pixels and click OK. Using this technique, you can brand any text or shape into wood. Thanks for watching.